Hey friends, if you wish to update Windows Defender manually on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So here's what you have to do. Search for Windows Security in the Windows search bar and open Windows Security. Actually, Windows Defender and Windows Security are the same. Now Windows Security combines everything. The features are the same. Go to Virus and Threat Protection on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down to Virus and Threat Protection Updates and click on Protection Updates and then click on Check for Updates. This will start checking for updates, yet you need to install Windows Updates on your system because Windows Updates pushes some important security updates to your system. Now it says Security Intelligence is up to date, but still, right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Click on Check for Updates in the right pane and make sure that all updates are installed on your system. And also check this box, get the latest updates as soon as possible. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you better. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.